The assets in the catalog may be modified. In the Options menu of each individual asset, select the Edit option to enter in the Edit tab. If the user has the editing rights, he can then update the metadata fields or the original media. Clicking on the X Remove Asset icon to the left, the source file is deleted, and you can proceed with the upload of a new file. Select the new file from your local machine and you'll see all the relative information. If needed, you can edit the metadata. You will then proceed as usual with Save and then Publish. The file upload will start, and once it is 100% completed, press Continue. To end the process, press Save and Publish. The system will keep track of the asset modifications, and you can browse them in the tab General, Field Modified, that include the date, time, and user who made the update. For the metadata, it is also possible to edit multiple assets. Click on these checkboxes to select the desired assets, then click on the Edit command located in the upper part of the interface. You can now edit all the fields that the selected assets have in common. Once the update has been done, click Save, Save and Continue. To delete an asset from the Option menu, select Delete. A warning pop-up will ask you to confirm your intention to delete. In this way, the asset is logically removed, moved to the recycle bin, and is no longer present in the general catalog. To access the bin, press the recycle bin icon on the left side of the interface. All the deleted assets are shown, and according to your user rights, you can also view assets deleted by other users. It is also possible to recover the deleted asset clicking on the Recover icon. The asset will return to its original location. Only system administrators and super users can empty the recycle bin. In this way, the assets will be permanently deleted from the system as well as the media associated with them. For multiple deletions, select the assets to be deleted using the checkboxes. The recycle bin icon is also available in the upper part of the interface. Pressing the icon Select Deselect All Items, it is possible to select all the assets of the page with a single click and edit or delete them. Another possibility in the Options menu of the single asset is to duplicate the metadata sheet. A copy of the asset is created with all the inherited metadata, but not the media. By entering the duplicated asset with the Edit option, it is possible to edit the metadata and, above all, add a new media. This function can be useful when there are different declinations of the same type of media to upload, to speed up the metadata process.